Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Lifestyle YouTube channel, where I show you my crypto and DeFi journey. In today's video we will talk about bobarena, a new play to earn game that is kinda a new concept. It is not ROI Yield Farm like we usually see with this sort of fake play to earn concepts. It's not NFT game, it's something else. So if you want to know more, make sure to watch the whole video. And we are back, and as usual, before we move forward, remember, none of this is a financial advice. I am not here to tell you what to do. You need to do your own research, your own due diligence, never invest too much, and always spread the risk across many platforms. This is how I do it, and remember, this is high risk, high reward type of stuff, so beware of that. Alright guys, so this is how the game, the basic dashboard looks like. I am actually on a testnet, because we are still before launch. This is very early, this is time sensitive guys, so be aware of that. Do your own research, and I will try to explain how this game works under 10 minutes. Maybe I will do that, okay? So as you can see, this is the main dashboard. I have some testnet BNB, so I will be able to play the game. But before we do that, let's go to the docs actually, because it would be easier to understand. So this is a play to earn game on the Binance Smart Chain. So you will need your MetaMask wallet, your BNB for fees, and to be able to play the game, to invest some, okay? The primary objective of the game is pretty straightforward. Level up your heroes to engage in arenas, earning BNB and acquiring new items throughout the process. So if you are tired of roadmaps and products that are never delivered, this might be the product game for you. This comes already with inclusive, complete, tailored economy without the necessity of pre-sales, special advantages, delivering a product that is profitable, fun and engaging. bobarena launch will already include a browser game for large screens, a website gameplay mode for any device or wallet to not leave anyone out, and a complete marketplace where users can sell their heroes and items. And what it is not a game based on NFTs or tokens. It is not an ROI yield farm game like we know, and it is not a referral based system. Okay? It is an entire ecosystem where in-game assets are exclusively utilized within the ecosystem, including its internal marketplace and future expansion apps. And this is what I like to hear, okay? Future utility, that would be great. A probability and strategy-based game where the distribution of BNB during arenas is determined by statistics and the drop percentage of heroes, items, and gameplay elements such as arenas strategies. So this is something different, you know, from what we know from these ROI yield farm games. It's entirely different. You need some luck, okay? You need some engagement to be able to win in this game, because of course you have to win. So this is how you can play. You can play on your mobile, or you can use your keyboard to walk and interact with the characters. I will show you at the end how the game looks like. We'll do some simple transaction on the testnet to show you that it is ready, how it works. Okay, so the primary stuff, you know, the primary thing that we will be interacting with are heroes and items. There are 4 types of assets in bobarena: crystals, heroes, items, and shards. Crystals are flexible to buy. User can select the amount of BNB per crystal and the total amount of crystals they wish to buy. This makes crystals very versatile for any kind of investment, from small to big amounts. Crystals cannot be sold in the marketplace, so you can only buy crystals in the game. Each player can select the amount of BNB for each crystal they wish to spend, from 0.1 BNB up to 2 BNB per crystal. This BNB price will then determine the total power of the hero when the crystal is opened. Players can forge multiple crystals at once. Crystals can also be obtained as drops from arenas. Each crystal can be opened and will transform into a hero, and each hero has a different drop chance of being created. Okay, so that's the some kind of luck that you need in the game. There are some taxes. There's 8% tax on crystal bought, to be split among marketing spendings and the team. No taxes for arenas payouts, and 6% on every sold item through the marketplace. 94% goes to seller, 3% to the team, and 3% directly in the total value logged for profits payouts. And sustainability and the economy, the real difference between Bob Arena and other blockchain related projects lies in how the game supports itself. Okay, since every hero has a certain percentage of and probability of existence, it is possible through statistics to estimate the amount of Ethereum is actually going to be BNB, I guess, entering the game for a certain hero to release payouts without incurring insolvency in the economy or creating various pyramidal structures. Okay, so to simplify, hero has a 5% chance to exist. It is possible to determine on average that every 20 crystals opened will result in that hero being created. Then, considering the cost of single crystal, it is possible to derive reasonable numbers for the payout of each hero. Okay, right from its release, Bob Arena will not have an open marketplace for players to sell their heroes. Every sale will directly benefit the game's economy through a 3% tax. Players can attempt to upgrade their heroes. Each level has a different upgrade cost and a percentage chance of being destroyed. 100% of the amount raised through upgrades benefits the game economy. Any direct purchase of crystals or crystals plus also directly benefits the game economy. And in order to start the arena with high level heroes, players need to first increase the level of their characters. Every concluded arena increases the character level by 1. There will be events where you will be able to get some referral rewards, okay? But this is only be valid for 24 hours since the launch, and then you will have to wait for another event, so this will be limited, which is kind of good. So how to buy crystals? As you can see, this is the sort of graphic UI, okay, sort of like a game, so where you will have to approach a character to be able to buy crystals. As you can see, this is how you will buy crystals. Okay, you will select the amount of BNB per crystal and the total number you wish to buy, and it will automatically calculate the total amount from you. You can also buy the crystals from the website, okay, like here, which is not if you don't like the game or you just like simple things. Okay, there is an angel character that can be found in the main village. It will open crystals. He will open crystals and upgrade your heroes. It is available on the website. To open the crystals, simply choose the desired amount and click open the crystals. Opening is free, and player can only find level 1 to level 6 heroes from crystals. Level 7 and 8 can be only obtained through upgrades. And this is how you upgrade the heroes, more or less. These are the arenas. This is the main way for players to get paid directly in BNB whenever the arenas are concluded. In the arena, there is a main character, Quest Master. Players can open a dialogue with the Quest Master to manage the status of the arenas. The Quest Master is also available on the website. Each arena will last 5 days. Only one hero at a time is allowed for each player to start an arena. Each arena will increase the player level by 1. To use level 5 heroes, players require to be level 2. Level 6 heroes require level 3. Level 6, 7 and 8 require players to be level 4. Players can decide to interrupt arenas at any time, in which case nothing will happen. After an arena is completed, the player will receive the amount of payout from the hero chosen in the arena directly into their wallet. for example, 2.1 BNB for a level 5 hero, the hero will become a shard and it will not be possible to sell, upgrade, or use the hero anymore. The player can receive a variable amount of items based on probabilities and levels. Items include crystals, mergers, S-mergers, and G-crystals, and items can drop in any combination up to a level of the hero. And there are examples here where let's assume player R starts an arena with a level 3 hero. After 5 days, the player will receive 1.15 BNB and up to 3 items randomly picked. In the example 2, player B starts an arena with a level 5 hero. After 5 days, he will receive 2.1 BNB and 5 items. So that will determine what you will get, okay? And the marketplace, which will run from the beginning. This is pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. You will be able to sell your heroes and items here. And this is 100% built on the blockchain and a separated contract. This is more secure. Each user can have up to 4 active hero listings and 4 active item listings. To create a listing, you simply click on create the listing. To buy a hero, simply click on the price label. Heroes and items that are selling cannot be used in areas or being upgraded. Okay, and there are a few types of heroes. Depending on which type you will get, it's like the amount of BNB that you will obtain after the arena. So this is it. Okay, this is like the hero powers and the upgrades with the chance of successing, with the upgrade. This contract is audited, so we can find the 3 separate contracts here: the chain, the Bob chain contract, the Bob chain helper, and marketplace contract, and the audit from Crypto Prim. Actually, 10 points, pretty nice. So that's looking good, guys. Okay, let's now see the game just for a while, because this video is already pretty long, 12 minutes. But yeah, if we go here and then play, right now it's possible because it's on the testnet, so not a real version. Real version will launch tomorrow. Right now this is like a test version on Binance Smart Chain testnet. So yeah, so you can basically use your keyboard to move, and there are some rules. Okay, so yeah, these are the heroes and the items, the character. Okay, so I can move using my keyboard with this. Let's go here, so I have to click here, and this is the marketplace. Okay, I can go here, approach this character, and this is Alice. So this is how I can start arenas. Wait a minute, this is probably where I can buy crystals, this one. So yeah, let's talk with this character, and let's just buy 2 crystals for 0.1 BNB each. Okay, and I will use my special testnet BNB for that. As you can see, if you're not familiar with how the DeFi contracts work, always have some extra BNB on your wallet to cover transaction fees. Okay, and after my transaction is confirmed, I will see my crystals here. Okay, and now what I can do is I can approach this character. Okay, wait a minute, I messed something up. No, chose a hero. Upgrade. Oh yeah, this is how you upgrade the hero, probably. Wait a minute. Yeah, that wasn't it. I have 2 crystals, so I can open these crystals here. Okay, and I can also upgrade heroes, but that's too early to do that. So I'm opening the crystals. This is what you will do in the game, and let's see what happens. depending on the value of the crystal, I will get a corresponding hero, I suppose. So yeah, now I have two heroes here. Okay, level 1, two level 1 heroes, I guess. Open heroes, let's see. Oh, I have a level 2 and level 4. That's nice. That's nice. That's pretty nice. I'm pretty excited for the game. This is more or less how it will work. Of course, most probably I will do a second video to show you the gameplay, you know, when it launches already. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon on my next video.